Looks like the left lane getting the back tires. Left lane with the back tires. Moving up. All right. Left lane tried to hold on, but that right lane pulled it in.